And when you rise in the morning sun, I feel you touch me in the pouring rain. And the moment that you wander far from me, I wanna feel you in my arms again. And you come to me on a summer breeze, keep me warm in your love, then you softly leave. And it's me you need to show. How deep is your love, how deep is your love? I really need to learn, 'cause we are living in a world of fools, breaking us down when they all should let us be. We belong to you and me. I believe in you. You know the door to my baddest soul. You are the light in my deepest, darkest hour. You're my savior when I fall. And you may not think I care for you when you know down inside that I really do. And it's me you need to show. How deep is your love? How deep is your love? I really need to learn, for I'm living in a world of fools, breaking us down when they all should let us be. We belong to you and me, da da dee da da. Oh, how deep is your love? How deep is your love? I really need to learn, 'cause we're living in a world of fools, breaking us down when they all should let us be. We belong to you and me, la 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 la.
Okay. Well, thank you for coming, Miss Jones. Yes, I asked you to come see me because I saw you walking down the corridor a moment ago in a pair of jeans and without a tie on. Do you know that in our organization, essentially the dress code is actually stated that all employees must not wear jeans and must be in ties at all times on company premises. So, do you know how bad it looks when we are trying to run a professional organization here, and do you know how bad it looks when you turn up for work in a pair of jeans and no tie? You know, you should be in a pair of very nice suited trousers with a nice jacket going with it and a tie, or a dress and a tie. All of this slack. I'm afraid I'm going to have to discipline you slightly. I'm going to get your report card out here. Here it is, and I'm going to have to write on it on your report card, slack dresser. Okay, and you've had a verbal warning. So what I'm giving it is a verbal warning. There is an anti-grievance procedure, but you can kind of read all about that in Ancient Etruscan somewhere on our website. And if you do it again, I'm afraid I'm going to put you out of work. It's a crisis, you know. Okay, thanks. Bye. Off you run. Off you go.
Oi, 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 oi.